Alright, we're at Frying Pan Campground number 8 site. Super slopey. But that's the flattest spot we could find, and it's still got a pretty good side hill to it. We're going to make the best out of it. So that's all we got to work with. There's a table and a fire pit there. But it's a pretty area. Well, alright. The clouds decided to open up. We got our Taj Mahal set up just in the nick of time. Nice and cozy inside making some lunch. So let the rain come down. So that sound you hear over there is the helicopters coming in. A couple of Apache or Blackhawks coming in. We're going to go check those out tomorrow, maybe later today. Alright, we're going to do a quick tour here. Looks like we got all set up. We got some food cooked and everything. So here's our outdoor porch area. Hi everybody.
Hello.
We're eating some freeze-dried meals. There's a stove set up. This is the outdoor patio. We got more of this floor if we need to put more out, but for now we're just putting it in front of the door, and we don't want to wear holes in the bottom of the tent, so we got them under the legs of our cots. We got our heater in here for tonight. We'll set it up because it's supposed to get down in the 30s tonight. Got our 0-degree bags, our cots and pads. And it's the home away from home for the next couple of nights. Maybe we'll be able to come out here and do a fire and stuff, but this weather's been crappy so far. We're gonna go check out the Blackhawks. I heard them come in and landing, so that's pretty cool. Might be able to go get a picture next to them. Alright, sweet. There's what we heard fly in earlier. Those are the medical Apaches, or whatever they call them. I'm not sure the Army designation of what they are, but they're pretty cool. Hopefully we'll get an up-close look at them a little bit later. Alright, there's the support vehicles. Looks like one's carrying fuel. Up here a little bit further, right there. There's legit off-road. He just drove right off the road right there down into that field. That's pretty cool. Alright, we're here checking out the National Guard. They just landed here by Fishlake with the helicopters there, and looks like they're getting ready for a refueling station here. They got the refueling trucks and support vehicles, and anyway, we're here at Fishlake. Pretty neat. This is their annual search and rescue National Guard get together thing they have here every year, and we just thought we'd come out this year to check it out. Owen, who's our son, he was in National Guard. He's part of this group that's doing their little maneuvers here. So anyway, we were able to go up and check out those helicopters up close, the Lakota helicopters that are out there. We haven't yet got a chance to look at these others, but hopefully we will. That'll be really cool if we can. So, but anyway, he's getting ready to do some training right now, so we had to let him go with his group. But we're gonna hook up with him a little later, and I don't know, get the lowdown on what's happening with these little drills they do out here. So it's been a lot of fun, minus the weather. It's been raining for the last 2 hours, so anyway, hopefully the weather will hold out and we'll get to see some cool Army equipment. So here's the accommodations inside this Army vehicle. It's pretty awesome. There's the aircraft that's part of Owen's National Guard division. That's pretty cool. I'm gonna go up here and get a closer look. All right, that big old mondo storm cloud just passed over. It's raining here pretty good, but this fish lake looks like it's right up to the banks. The reservoir is almost full. Anyway, I'm gonna throw my line in here and see if I can't maybe catch a fish or two other than a snag. All right, I'm hooked up. Feels like a good one. Come on, come to Papa. Oh yeah, and it's a little rainbow. Check it out. Nice little rainbow on the Jake. Heck yeah, let's get him back in the water. All right, let's see if we can catch another. Woohoo! Super shallow right here, so I gotta bring it in fast. Yep, got one. Heck yeah, bring it on. Come on, come to Papa. Fish on, boys. Oh yeah, what we got here? Oh, got another little rainbow. Come on. Yeah. This one's smaller than the first one, but fish is a fish, it's a fish. It's bigger. Oh yeah, got another one. Heck yeah. Yeah, get bigger. Oh, shoot, broke my line. Dang it. I broke the spell of Fish Lake. Finally caught one. Caught three actually. And then I broke my line. Fish is a fish is a fish. Woo-wee. Pretty good fighter. Come on. He wants to see you. Oh, he's bigger. Nice. Oh yeah. He's nicer than the other three. Oh yeah. That's quite a bit nicer. Ah, look how fast that one is. Nice.
What is it?
It's a rainbow.
Oh, nice.
Look at that. It's a nice fish. It's big and fat. Nice.
That
one.
is.
Alright, B3. That's good. 14 inch, huh?
That's a nice one.
Got him, got off, got back on. Must be hungry. Come on in. Oh, come on. He's fighting.
Probably the same one you just caught.
It's smaller than the last one.
Oh.
Another rainbow though.
Oh yeah, that one's much smaller.
Really? Yeah, a little smaller. Still pretty fish.
Mm-hmm.
Heck yeah, they decided to fly. Sweet, he's banking into us. Right on. Check that out. Sweet. That's so awesome. Anybody want pig for dinner?
No.
Oh, yummy. That's what you call eating right there. Fresh pork over the fire, heck yeah. Well, we're gonna check out these Blackhawks, but it started to rain on us, so we're gonna hop in one, get into some shelter. Whew.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, it's legit coming down out there. Alright, well there's the... They use these for medical, so it looks like they got their pilot and co-pilot seats there, and a bunch of gear here, and then right out here he's saying there's a hoist for hoisting up the basket, I guess. On a rescue mission, that's pretty cool. And then there's some more seats and stuff back here. It's pretty cool. All right, we were able to weather the storm inside of a Blackhawk. That's pretty cool. And now we're just doing an outside tour of it and looking at these big old blades. Holy cow, they're huge. Anyway, that's super cool. That's pretty sweet. And there's the pedals, the joystick. Yeah, this is pretty awesome. Holy cow, there's so many things in there. You don't even... A lot of buttons. Better know what you're doing. So I guess this one's fully equipped with medical.
Is that the camera on the front?
Yeah, it's a camera. So this is our FLIR, so it's a forward-looking infrared camera.
Okay.
That's legit.
Still got everything in it.
Okay, this is what the other one would look like normally. That's where the patient lays, I guess.
Oxygen suction hookups for the medics.
Cool. All right, well that's a legit rig right there. That's the Apache. They're securing it. You know, getting the rotors secured down in case the wind picks up, whatever. I mean, I think that's standard protocol that they do, but anyway, that's super cool. This is the one that flew in over our head while we were down there fishing. This is so cool. Grogu says flight time. So we're all ready to go. All right, they just did their pre-flight check, looking around the aircraft twice. They just got in the seat, ready to cockpit, or whatever you want to call it. Looks like they're getting ready to fire it up and get going. This will be pretty cool to watch them take off. All right, pre-flight warm-up. They just turned the lights on, and I can hear something humming in there. All right, look what came out. The sun. We've been weather and rain all day so far. Finally got some sun. We're enjoying the sun, and then we got our camp right here, all set up. We had a big lunch, so we're not real hungry for dinner, so we'll probably just have a snack. And then they're getting ready to fly the helicopters again tonight, so we're gonna go back down there before they take off and watch them take off and stuff. It'll be cool.
It's gonna be awesome.
Woohoo!